In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ability in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you go into a match on the court in Basketball Zero, you might notice that you have abilities here. So in this example, I have Dive and Floater. These abilities can be used when you have the ball, or sometimes when you don't have the ball, depending on the style that you have equipped. So in short, to change these abilities, you have to change your style. Each style is going to have a base moveset and an awakened moveset, and the abilities that you can use are going to depend on the style that you have equipped. When you join the experience, you will be given 5 spins, and you can use these spins to acquire one of these styles displayed here at random. So for example, if I use a spin, I have a 62% chance of getting a rare style with them being one of these, 35% of epic, 2% of legendary, and so on. You also have lucky odds or lucky spins, which will increase the odds of you getting these higher rarity styles. And this way, you will not get rare or epic styles, so you are guaranteed to get bare minimum a legendary. You can click on a specific style to increase the odds of getting that specific one. And all that you have to do is click on spin. Sadly, I have used all of my free spins. After you have done that as well, you will have to purchase more spins. After you use your spin, the new style will be equipped. Immediately here at the left, you can lock it if you don't want to lose it, and you can purchase additional slots if you want to have multiple styles and switch between them. Then, once you have the style equipped, you can go inside of the game and the abilities will change. Sadly, I only have this style available on my character, so I won't be able to demonstrate other abilities, but you can look for showcases on YouTube to see how they look and how they perform depending on their abilities. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.